Namaskar, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per your session of linear programming problem, LPP, in today's class I will be discussing with you about some numerical aspect of linear programming and those problems who play a very vital role in the solution of so many industry related problems. The formulation of problem, their pictorial analysis, and then to get the solution is the motto to discuss the topic before you. So for the sake of convenience of this your understanding, I would like to share here some materials that may be useful for you. So let us see. We have already discussed graphical method, and we have learned that how to check the feasible region and how to get the optimal feasible solution. Also, you have seen that how to get the solution of different types of linear programming problems as diet problem, transportation problem, industry problem, as well as I have given you some problems as an exercise for your worksheet, and a location problem has also been discussed. Now in today's class we are going to specifically discuss about manufacturing problem. So please write manufacturing problem. Please write the question. A manufacturing company makes two models, capital A and capital B, of a product. A manufacturing company makes two models, capital A and capital B, of a product. Each piece of model capital A requires 9 hours labor hours for fabricating and 1 labor hour for finishing. Each piece of model B requires 12 labor hours for fabricating and 3 labor hours for finishing. For fabricating and finishing, the maximum labor hours available are 120, 180 and 30 respectively. The company makes a profit of rupees 8,000 on each piece of model A and rupees 12,000 on each piece of model B. How many pieces of model A and model B should be manufactured per week to realize maximum profit? What is the profit, maximum profit per week? This is the problem, students, and I have highlighted this problem. I hope you have written this. If you have not written, then kindly take its screenshot. And now come on the solution part of the problem. Let us write the answer. Let us suppose that X is the number of pieces of model A and Y is the number of pieces of model B. Then the total profit, that is the objective function for you, is here 8,000, and 12,000. So 8x plus 12y, this is our objective function and we are considering it as capital Z. We now have the following mathematical model for the given problem, that is we have to maximize Z is equal to 800x plus 8000x plus 12,000y. Subject to the constraints. Constraints are what? That is 9 labor hours for fabricating and 1 labor hour for finishing. So 9x plus 1y you can see here. No, 9x plus fabricating constants are okay. Here is 9 hours each model and here is 12 hours. So 9x plus 12y less than or equal to 180. Okay. And in this way, take 3 from here as common and this is x plus 3y, take 3 common from here and this is x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. This will be the result. Now मैडम हम क्लास में हैं, थोड़ा 2 मिनट के बाद मिलते हैं, बता दें. हेलो, यस. So x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. This is the finishing constraints. Now you have to, as I have already discussed with you, you have to solve equation 2 and 3. You have to solve equation 2 and 3. So for that you have to use inspection method by putting x is equal to 0 and then by putting y is equal to 0, and you will be finding 2 coordinates from here and 2 coordinates from here. From 2 and from 3 you can get 4 coordinates, and with the help of all these 4 coordinates you can draw this graph as you have learned in the feasible solution by graphical method, and then by satisfying with all these 4 points and 5 points to these equations, you can say 2 and 3, you can get the result, and finally you are getting, putting all the values you are getting, this is the maximum value, so this is the maximum result. So students, this session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In case of any query, feel free to comment. Feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I shall try to resolve your query from there. Also, during live session, we can discuss about your doubt and I shall try to clear. Thank you very much for joining and enjoying.